Hi everyone, thanks for always sticking around. Today we are making some fun and exciting recipe with yam. With just 4 ingredients, we are making these beautiful snacks. So let's get started. We start by cutting out the yam we'll be using for this recipe. And after cutting out the yam, peel. Once we are done peeling the yam, next we cut the yams into smaller size. Add water, wash to make them clean. And after washing them and they become clean, transfer into a pot. Add water to it. Take to the heat and cook until it becomes soft. And once well cooked, remove from the heat. If your fork can go through it easily like this, which means we are good to go. Next, transfer some of the boiled yam into a bowl. And after adding them to a bowl, go ahead and mash smoothly with a potato masher. Or you can use a fork to do this, or anything that you can use to make the yam to become very smooth. If it is not smooth, it might not come out beautiful. So it is important for it to become smooth. Once smooth, add to it some egg. Added 2 eggs to mine, some salt and chili powder. And this time, we are going to mix it thoroughly to be well combined. And after mixing it together properly, it should look like this. And now we have a very smooth yam dough. Go ahead and transfer it into a piping bag. Or you can use a nylon just like I'm using in this video. I place the nylon, which I've already cut a hole at the bottom, on a glass cup. Then add some of it to the nylon. And after adding it to the nylon, tie the nylon tightly. Now it is time to make our beautiful snacks. Preheat your oil. Then add them slowly to the preheated oil on a low heat. This is to prevent your hands so you don't get hot. And after adding it to the preheated oil, increase the heat so that they don't get soaked and also for it to be well fried. And after frying for some time, flip up for both sides to be well fried. Once they become dried and you have achieved this color, remove from the oil and repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And here we have it, yam snacks. This is not just beautiful, but also tastes very delicious and it's so easy to prepare. Try this out today and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share. Subscribe to Odu's Kitchen and turn on the bell icon for more easy recipe from this channel. Thanks for watching.